Alright, so the internet's back up. The problem was the mobile hotspot on my phone was off. Somehow it got turned off. So these are the stocks. I own some of them. Let's see. Dodge. I got 4,400 shares of Dodge. Went up to 19 cents. I think I bought it at 33 cents. Litecoin, I got 2.2 shares. So it's not a lot. So it's worth about 90. Not worth, but that's the price of the share right now, $97. And Dodge is at 19 cents. Bitcoin is at $70,000 per share, so I can only afford about $1,100. So there you go. Because I'm not taking a chance. The risk of it is too much. I could set a risk management, but I just let it ride. Okay, and then you got Ethereum. Ethereum is Ethereum is now at $33 a share. I bought 7 shares, so not a lot. PFE, that's Pfizer. I got 1 share of Pfizer. It's at $26. I believe they did a split, so they only give me 1 share for I don't know how much. Apple, I got 2 shares, 2.06 shares, because I got fractional shares. Some of them, as you see the numbers. Paid. I got it's at $173 now. I think I made a profit on that one. Let me see. I'll show it. I'll show the profit just now. I'll tell you how much I bought it for. I can't even remember. 6 Tesla. I bought at $300. Look at that. Tesla went on to $174 on this account. So you just gotta wait. Tesla is gonna go back up. Mazda. Jeep Kramer says it's gonna go back up. Mazda, I only got 3.17 shares. I sold out. I had some I sold and I made a profit. And so I only got 3 shares. The price is only $5 and it's $5.62 or something like that. $5.82. This one is Guild. Guild is I forgot what Guild is. Some pharmaceutical thing, I think. I only got 0.677. This is just what do you call it? A fractional share of Guild, because I didn't want to buy the whole thing, so it's at $68.96. Amazon, I bought 3 shares. No, they split. I had 1 share and they split, and I got 3. The price that I had it at, I forgot. I got a good deal on it though. I can't remember. I'll show it to you. And now it's at $189. And then Nissan, I got 0.220 shares. That's a fraction, which is worth $7.69. Not worth, but that's the price. So I'm gonna be worthless. But I can't buy all the stocks. AMD, I got 2 shares. Now at 170. I believe I bought it at $100. So I made, hey, $70? No, I made $140, I think. VFC, well, this is at $13. And also they give dividends when you have these shares. Some of them give you dividends, which is money you can reinvest back or take it out and use it. But with so small amount of shares, I don't get a lot of dividends. So 1.69. The ones with the higher price dividend, I don't let them buy back the fractional share, because I wait for it to go down or buy something else with it. FedEx, this is FedEx, 1.09 shares. The price is $2.72, and I think it's doing okay, but it's just 1 share. I don't really care. Coty, I got 1 share. The price is $11.08. I'll check those later. Cisco, I got 11.13 shares. They're up to $49.39. Fuel cell went down bad. Hard is $1.17. I bought more. I bought at a higher price, but I still own the shares. Even though the price go down, I still own the share. So fuel cell deal with battery, and they might make a comeback. Who knows? Didi is a Chinese stock. I got 55 shares, and I should have owned 100 shares. They're at $4.93 now. I should have bought the 100. Then I could do option selling and buying. There, man. And now the price went up to $4.93 from, it was like $2 and something cents a share, but I wasn't paying attention to it. Verizon, I got 11.67 shares, and look at that. It's at $40.32. The other day was up to $43 or something like that. It doesn't matter. They give you a dividend, a small dividend, because I only got 11 shares. I got more shares in a different account. Hood, 10 shares. That's Robinhood. now they are up to it's $18.79 a share. So they're doing better than before. I bought in those 10 shares about at $30 a share or more. Fubu is a TV stock, TV station stock or something like that, internet TV. I got 2 shares. It's down to $1.49. They were up higher before and then they went down. Clove is the same. I got 25 shares. It's only priced at 0.72. That's the price now. Nvidia, I sold off 1 share and I made a $700 something profit after 2 years, which is pretty good. And then it just went down back because I sold it out at is now at $8.99. It went back up here today. So I still own 0.001 share. Only if it goes down more, then I'll buy more. It has to go down more because I paid $200 for mine, and at $900 and something I sold it, so I made $700 something profit. Riot is a stock. I think I forget what kind of stock it is, but I got 5 shares and it's now down to $9.76, which means it went down. I got Sophie. I got 400 shares of Sophie. The price is now at $7.60. I bought in at different prices, also with option buying and selling. Exila $2.50. I don't have much, 0.05. What they did, they split it. They did a reverse split and give me less shares. And this one is AMC, America Home Theater, and they're not doing good. So their price is down to $2.80. I have the reverse split and give me only $2.56 shares, which means that they took every 10 shares to give me 1 share. So that's how I end up with that. Yeah, or 10 or 50. I forgot how many shares because it looked like more. Fun. I got 2 shares because they did a reverse split. I had about 100 shares, I think, and they did like 50 to 1 split. So they give me two shares only. So I probably had 100. So now the price up at $7.67. You got Sen is 2 shares, $1.77. I didn't really pay attention to that. Vips about 110 shares. I end up with 112. How come? And yeah, I think about 100. No, I probably bought 112. And the price is $17.21. I bought it at $18.06. This one is Song AI company, and I have 300 shares by doing the option selling, and I got exercise. So it's down to $4.62. I don't care because the money they were giving me to buy it, to pay for it, I like $125. I did one yesterday. When I was in my mom's place there behind the house at Fort Lauderdale. So I don't know if a guy exercised yet. I have to check the Webull account to see. Now this one is XOS, 2.19 share, and the price is 8.51. So the ones that I have money in, let's see, with Tesla was 300. I remember that one, $6. But you guys can make some good money, man. You gotta open your account, and I'll send you the link to the Robinhood and Webull. See which one you like. I like Webull because they give you more share, but you could have both. I have both, and if you wanted a day trade, this is good because you can only do 3 trades in a rolling 5-day period, and I'll explain that later. So with 2 accounts, I have more than 2 accounts. I have Webull, Robinhood, who else? Charles Schwab, Fidelity. So it's a whole bunch of them I got. So I could trade it any one of them and do 3 trades in a rolling period. So you end up like I could do, like, if it's 4 accounts, 3 trades times 4 accounts, that's 12 trades. 12 trades in a day I could do. So I don't have to worry because they have the thing called pattern day trader. They catch up with you as a pattern day trader because you have to have a minimum balance of $25,000 in your account to day trade, past 3 trades. So these are things, you want to learn about it, let me know. This video is for a slight brief information, explanation of things. You see the 6-year Tesla? Well, I know I paid $300 here. Let me show you. So when I open it up, look at this. It'll give me, this is Robinhood account. So it says $174. It's up to the 80 cents. It should go more. Your market value is, your market value tells you is 1,049, and that today's return up 17. Total return is my negative 821, so I'm down 821, but I really don't care. I'll wait for it. My average cost for these years, the 6 years, was $311 because I had one share and it split and it gave me that amount. So when it was at I forgot when it was, how much it was. And then what do you got here? 6 point something shares. Now you have an option to buy Tesla or sell Tesla. I can sell all or buy how many amount I want. Margin requirement, I am trading on margin. So they let me borrow the money at 8%. So 8%, and I can give them back 8% annually. That means yearly. So all your accountants would know this. The buying power I have right now to buy, because I borrow on margin, is $2,688 if I needed to trade. The initial requirement is 52% of it I have to have there. So maintenance require 40%. I'm a little thing about that, but you accountants will know all of that. And it says here, get up to $1,500 of Tesla a year when you invite friends to Robinhood. Limitations apply. So if I was to invite you guys, I click here, but I'll do it on the phone, so that way I'll send it to you through WhatsApp. Now Tesla engaged in the design development. It tells you about Tesla. The CEO is Elon Musk, a crazy man Musk. He's crazy at a point only. Employees, you have 140,000, tells you headquarters in Texas. He was founded in 2003. How about that? If I had bought at that time. I didn't buy at that time. Not a lot of people knew to buy Tesla at that time. And then when he IPO'd, the price went sky high, so nobody could afford it. And look at that market cap. And if you look at the chart, it'll tell you when it started out and what the price was. The high today 174. 52-week high is 299. The price earnings ratio is 39. Low today was 168. 52-week low 152. They don't give you dividend. They would say here dividend yield, but they don't give you no dividend. It's open. The open price today was 172.59. It started trading at. Average volume was $99.91. That's the average volume of, not 99.91 million people were trading. That's the volume. And the volume here is, that's the average volume, and the volume actual was 71.25 million people was in the stock just for today. So imagine that. You right now it's okay to buy still, because when Tesla hit 180, it's gonna shoot up. And I got that advice from someone I can't name, but because I'm gonna post this on YouTube, so I'll send you guys a link, because this is a long video. If you guys want to watch it, it'll be on YouTube, so it'll be the full version. Okay, when you put it on WhatsApp, it doesn't go, you don't get the full version. It's compressed and that kind of stuff. It's Tesla stock a buy. You see here, Yahoo Finance, the action at Yahoo Finance. Tesla had a tough go of it lately, while other magnificent 7-star have had a banner year thus far. Its stock has been in steady decline, but don't worry about it. Must have some other things he invented. Tesla faced investor pressure over collective bargaining concern and ongoing Swedish labor dispute. So they have a labor dispute problem in Sweden. So I guess that's what it is. So now look at this stock. When it started out, if you put max, if you click max, you'll see all the years from when it started. Look, and this is how it started out. And if I go like this, I scroll across to this, you'll see that. This laptop cable is so sharp, man. I buy a 3-foot and it's so sharp. Alright, so let's say I wanted to do it's max, and I wanted to do, you could do day, week, you can see every week, every month, 3 months. So let's see monthly. So show you see there the line went down flat and then came up and started bouncing. When he IPO'd, it was only at what? When he IPO'd this stock, it was only at how much was it at then? Let me see if I can see it. Any IPO this stock, it was 2010. No, not 2010. It's 20. It's at let me see, max time. Oh, I gotta click the thing. All right, so I hit the monthly to see it. All right, I'm hitting the monthly to see it, and then look at this. So the monthly over the max years, which started in 2003, that's when he opened the stock, when he started trading the stock. So no, actually I don't need that. He started the weekly was this is the week for every week. You want the max, you don't want monthly. Sorry. So you hit max, and then you'll see that when he started. If you drag the line, if you drag the cursor, you'll see. Look at that part there. It was at $16 in 2014. Wow, how about that? In 2014 it was $16. Can you believe that? And then here in 2010, how much was it in 2010? It was $1.27. So in 2010 it was $1.27. I can't believe I didn't get to buy at that time. In 2010 I was busy over here. I was in Florida. Man, I'll be doing some trading from this trailer, from this camper. Look at that. In 2010, let me see. His stock opened up in 2003 or founded. No, he founded in 2003, but he actually started trading in 2010. Wow, and it was $1 stock. It was $1.27. Wow, you can go back in history and see this. So this is something for you to learn. See, gradually started to go up. Look at that, from 163 to something. $2, 13, and he keep going up and up and up, and his stock kept going up 22 something. And look at that, 71.99 back in and look at the hype time. In 2020, he went up to 143 when he split, I guess. Then they had another peak over here. So he went down, then come back up. He went down a little bit here. See, he came back down. It's called a stair step. This is what this chart is called, stair step. So from there, when it came up, it went straight up from, straight up from 143 to all the way up to, there, what is that? 264, wow. And then he shot back down. In 2021, he came back down because people weren't buying that much. He came back to 222, which is not bad. And then it peaked here, it went down over here to 208. Then it gradually started to come back up. Look at that. Look how he came back up. Look at that. At this top here, in 2021 November, it went up to 381. Look at that. And then it came back down. And let me see, when did they split. You'll know when they split, when you look at this thing here, right? Look at this. This is 290, went down from 3 something. Went back up to 359, then back down to 2 something. As you can see here, right? 2 something. Yeah. 224, then it shot back up. And it's called higher highs and higher lows. So this is what happened. Higher highs and higher lows. That's how it made it up there. And look at this. When it fell, it went down to, in what year that? 2022 went to 123, because I think that's when it split. And then 207, and then it went back down again, and then come back up again, and it's been what do you call it? Stair stepping. 267, then back down to 248, and come back up to 240, then back down to 248, then came up a little bit. Oh no, went back down again to make a shot down there in what year? Probably now. So in 2022, I believe. You can't see past that. 2024 actually, yeah. This year, see, 2024. So and now it's down here now. Let's see, where it's down to. Yeah, it's down here now to 174. Yeah. As of March 28, 174. I wanted to move this thing so I could see it better. Let me see if I can move it. No, I can't move it. Maybe I can slide this part here. Let me see. Yeah. Nah. Alright, so that's the best I could do, because this part here of Tesla, this part here is blocking me, and this is the buy sell order screen. So let's say we went down all the way over here. I can see, yeah, it's 2024. This is the current price now, 174. Actually, if I take my hand off the cursor, it's at look what is that, 174. See, all right. So this is an idea of how things are traded. So I'm gonna send this to everyone, or how I do my stock investment.